A last-minute rush to buy fireworks ahead of the 4th of July.
And more families are hosting their own celebrations, which means they're buying their own fireworks instead of going out to watch someone else set them off. So Wink News reporter Tiffany Rizzo is live for us in Fort Myers. Tiffany, will people run into any trouble trying to find these fireworks last minute?
Corey, a lot of people wait until last minute to buy their fireworks, like you told me you were doing as well. So Phantom says today and tomorrow is going to be jam-packed. Now, good news is that they are stocked up, so they'll still have that stuff in store. But Phantom said that their 4th of July to them is like their Super Bowl. They hire 40 extra part-time employees to get them through the season. They have 50% off everything and even some BOGO deals going on. And that is the trend I saw with majority of places selling fireworks sales. We love to see it. Buy one, get one, buy two, get one free. You will see it on all the signs at the firework tents you drive by. There are deals everywhere. Phantom says over the last 4 years, more and more people are deciding to keep their fireworks show at home, so it's important that you are celebrating safely.
You do not want to be drinking or on drugs when you're doing fireworks. Okay, if they're doing an aerial, the audience should be about 150 foot away from that object that they're lighting, or that box or whatever the firework they're lighting, again on a hard, flat surface. If they're doing a floor or a ground-based firework, which is a fountain or a spinner, the audience can be about 35 foot away. If we're going to light an aerial or even a fountain, anything, you want to brace it to make sure that does not tip over.
Now these sparklers are hot, so Phantom suggests holding just one at a time, straight arm away from your face, and to have a bucket of water nearby, which I do have. I brought one out in my last sparkler you see I have in here, and once this is out, they suggest putting it in a bucket of water. Reporting live in Fort Myers, Tiffany Rizzo, Wink News.